Human heart is a very powerful and the most significant organ in the human circulatory system. It keeps pumping the blood throughout the body and beats about 2.5 billion times during the average lifespan of a person. Let's first learn about the different parts of a human heart. A human heart is composed of 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are known as atria and lower chambers are known as ventricles. Right and left hand sides are separated by septum. Every atrium has thin wall as the blood they receive from the veins is under relatively low in pressure. Ventricles have thick walls and are more muscular as they pump blood out of the heart. A heart has 4 valves also, which let blood move forward only. The tricuspid valve lies between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The valve which separates the left atrium and left ventricle is called bicuspid valve. The pulmonary valve is located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery is the artery which carries blood towards lungs. The aortic valve lies between the left ventricle and the aorta, which is the main artery of the body. All mammals, including humans, have double circulation. The right-hand side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from all over the body and pumps it to the lungs to pick up more oxygen, whereas the left-hand side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it throughout the body. Thus, there are 2 circulations involved: pulmonary circulation between the heart and lungs and systemic circulation between the heart and rest of the body. Let's learn about how heart transfers the blood throughout the body. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium through vena cava. Vena cava are the major veins which bring deoxygenated blood to the heart. When the right atrium contracts, the blood goes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. After that, the right ventricle contracts and the blood is pumped through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery towards the lungs. The oxygenated blood returns from the lungs by way of the pulmonary veins and goes into the left atrium. When the left atrium contracts, blood travels through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle is a very important chamber that pumps blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta. The aorta receives all the blood that the heart has pumped out and distributes it to the rest of the body. None of the valves allow the backflow of the blood, and thus they are called one-way valves. By this process, heart keeps pumping blood throughout the